Okay, so this time I'm going to show you how to do a peppermint mocha. You could do a decorative peppermint mocha, or you could go ahead and turn it into an ornament. All right, so you need a little cup and a ball that fits inside, a styrofoam ball. I have a paper straw. I've cut out a little piece so that it could fit in here. I have my little cherry that goes on top, and I have my two different types of clay, the air dry modeling compound and my whipped clay. Okay, so here we go. Move some of this out of the way. And the thing is, you definitely want this to be on a lower setting because this is a very delicate cup. And the first one I tried, I melted the cup. There it goes. I could feel it sticking right in there. Perfect. So now we just let that cool off a little bit. Be careful not to burn yourself. And the next step is to do our modeling compound. Since I've already made some ornament versions, I'm going to go ahead and just make a decorative one now. If I had wanted to do the ornament, what I would have to do is put in that metal hook, right, just like I did that cupcake before I put on the clay. But I do want to make a decorative one, so I'm just going to do that. Okay, here we go. Next step is whipped clay. I actually am running out, so I'm going to have to probably start a new one. I'm going to make it, I like to make it look like it's going over the edge. I don't know, it just makes it feel more realistic to me. If you're going to a coffee shop and they overfill it with whipped cream, it's a great day. Okay, and it's also pretty realistic. All right, I'm going to need more. I like to fill in the whole top, and then I'll go around with a nice, cute circular layer for the very top to make it just stick out on top just a little bit more. Ta-da! Alright, so that's when you can stick the cherry on top if you want to. Boop. Aw, that's cute. And then you can stick the straw in there. It sticks into the styrofoam, so that's good. Just kind of to push. You hear it crackling in there. Great. Then we add our sprinkles, just like the other things we've made. So far, so good. Look at that. It's so cool. Alright, then you just add cute sprinkles. Okay, sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Okay. Alright, so now you go back with your toothpick and press them down so that way they stick better. Gently pressing them in. Bam. Alright, so you go ahead and do this, and then it needs to dry. It usually takes 2 or 3 days to dry, really, so yeah. Alright, so we have to let that one dry. This is one of the variations I did by adding the hook, and I added the little cherry on top. So this one's dry. I didn't use as much of the whipped clay as the other one I just showed you. So the other one might look a little fuller, which is pretty cool. Okay, so what I want to do is add some cute embellishments with ribbon. So to do that, I want to make like a little cup cozy, right? With this one, it's like burlap with lace, and then go across it with like a ribbon just to make the cup cozy even cuter. Okay, so I got the peppermint stripes, or I even have the actual little peppermints to go in the middle. So I'm going to try one of each. Okay, because I have 2 of these dried. Woohoo! Okay, so first, I am having a little bit of a tricky time getting this to stay, just because of the shape of the cup. It is a little tricky, but we'll see how it goes. Do my best. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't fit perfectly, but you know, I'm really just not going to worry about it. Okay, again, using hot glue that's on the lower setting so we don't accidentally melt the cup is better. Okay. Oops. Be careful. If this is burlap, it can go through, so don't burn yourself. All right. Not too bad. Alright, now this is going to go around, make it even cuter. Okay, so, whoops. Guess that wasn't quite dry. I'll use that to my advantage now that I know it's not quite dry. Okay. Alright. Okay, so now we're adding a little bit more hot glue. There's a method to my madness, I swear. Okay. You don't need a lot of this, you just need to stay on here. Okay, I'm trying to get it approximately in the middle, but, you know, it doesn't have to be exact. It just has to look cute. And I think we've achieved that. Woohoo! Okay. Awesome. There we go. We have a Peppermint Mocha ornament. Alright, let's do it to the other one, except using this one and see what it looks like. Okay. Oh, that's cute. I like that. Hey, 2 little Peppermint Mochas. How cute! 2 Peppermint Mocha ornaments. Welcome to The Life Authentic. If you like this video, click subscribe, give it a like, and hit the bell to get notifications.